May I request Pius Marwein to take the floor, please?
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, and I also rise to support the motions of thanks to the Honorable Governor for his address to this House. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I would like to congratulate the MDA too for all the good works. Sir, I would like to request the government during this term to create one more block in Southwest Khas Hills District, and I support the request for another block raised by the MLA of Mokorwat, because until today there are villages in my constituency like Nongtinger area, Warsalangdo area, around 30 to 40 villages under my constituency who feel that this is too far to go till Mokorwat block, which is located 30 to 40 kilometers from their villages. It would be easier if they would be given a block that is located between Ranikor Constituency and Mokorwat Constituency, which will be helpful for the people in my Ranikor Constituency and Mokorwat Constituency. And also, sir, I would like to urge the Honorable Chief Minister to follow up with the central government for sanction the fund through the border area department. I would also like to request the government to set up one higher secondary school in Ranikor block, as there is no government higher secondary in Ranikor block. Sir, I would like to thank the government for the Nongstoin Wakaji Road, but I sincerely request to the government to sanction the remaining portion from Wakaji to Ranikor, about 22 kilometers. This will be a great helpful for the people of Ranikor civil subdivision. Lastly, sir, I request to the government to sanction the office of subdivisional office building this year. With this few words, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, thank you. I will resume my seat.
Thank you.